Hey there, in this video I want to show you how you can collect emails using this system. So we have two features that you can use. You can use either the email form or the Facebook subscribe feature. And the difference is that using the email form, the viewer will actually need to enter their own email address and then click on a button, and then their email address will be added to your newsletter. And if you're using the Facebook subscribe, the user will see a button at which they need to click, at which point they'll see a Facebook verification process. So they need to actually confirm the application, and at that point we'll get their Facebook email address, which is already verified by Facebook, and then add that to your autoresponder. So I'm just going to show you how to use an email form, for example. So in order to do that, you need to click on emails here on the left hand side and then go to add email form. From that point on, you can click on the video where you want to use this for. Let's say this one, and you can enable it. You can say it always on, which means it's always on, just like it says. You can also have it timed, at which point it will start after an X amount of seconds, let's say after 3 seconds, and then end at an X amount of seconds as well. You have the option to pause the video. You can, if you don't do that, the video will keep playing. If you pause it, you also have the option to force it, and this means that the video will stop playing, but the only way to continue is by adding your email address. So just for demonstration purposes, let me just switch that on. And of course you can customize all the text here. You can change the location at top or bottom, and you can change the coloring. And of course it works with any sort of autoresponder, so you can just select the one that you're using and then enter the settings. So I'm just going to leave this blank for now. I'm going to save this, and I'll leave all the other settings intact. So I'm just going to show you what it will look like on Facebook. The video will start playing, and after 3 seconds the video should stop, like it does, and there's no way to continue this video because we set it so that the user needs to enter the email address. So let me just enter a random email address just for testing purposes, and let's click on subscribe. Boom, there it is. The video continues playing, and at the same time that email address has been added to your autoresponder. So this is how it works, and I'll talk to you all later.